First day of the bell ringing tradition. We're about to ring that bell at 9 o'clock. Brand new BF Taps booth. Check it out. Got your soda and your kombucha needs here right at the black and white tent. Got our oldest son here ready to help us out today. Blue Mountain Farm, we got your fresh produce, we got your sauces. Favorite salsa, your favorite marinara. We got your BFF self-care products. And we are ready to serve you guys here in just a few minutes. Thanks to everybody who's supporting us. Y'all wave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. John, Abner. Welcome to the market, everybody.